Hey Skinnies, Nick here. A very, very hungry Nick. I went to the gym this morning and did legs, and that always makes, what?
I'm not even going to say what we were just talking about.
It always makes me hungry, and all I've had today is a smoothie, so I'm so excited for lunch now. I know we're publishing dinners, but doesn't mean that the recipes can't also be served for lunch or meal prepped. So I'm going to, well, I was going to eat this for dinner too, but I'm thinking now I'll eat something else for dinner. That's tomorrow, isn't it?
I don't know, it's up to you. There's lots to choose from.
I don't know, I want to eat everything. Anyway, so I wanted to show off my lunch today. I'm so excited anyway. It's a taco bowl basically. So you have this like delicious mince that you make up. I don't know if you can see how freaking gorgeous that is. How many does it serve, Mez?
One moment.
So I know 5?
Yeah.
My trainer, Brett, he reckons I need to be eating 2,100 calories a day. And I probably only eat maybe like 1,000. Maybe 1,000 to 1,200 calories a day. So this is going to be my new go-to meal prep to make sure that I'm eating enough. Now we have an avocado salsa that I have to give a little avocado, as Lani says. It's kind of like a mixture of pico de gallo and guacamole, basically, but delicious. Lots of good fats, really yummy dressing. Super pumped for this. So if you were meal prepping this, you could make it, of course, with the avocado, but I would do the avocado fresh myself. But you don't have to because it's got tons of lemon juice in there. So it would probably, lime juice, sorry.
But you could alternate between lemon and lime.
Oh my God, I'm gonna eat all of this. It's like a big serve.
Make me one.
No, I can't make you one, it's mine.
You don't love me.
No, I'll make you one, I'll film one.
Okay.
Mez is in the background, she's got a little injury, so she's called the Queen of Sheba. So say to me, can you make me one? Then we have these beautiful Mexican spiced potato. Of course I'll make you one, darling.
Thank you.
Then we have these beautiful Mexican sort of spiced little potato cubes that get cooked in the air fryer. How good does that look? I'm gonna chuck that in. This might be your bowl, Mez. I think I've overestimated how much I can actually eat. Then,
Don't overestimate how much I can eat too.
what's in this? It's cottage cheese.
cheese.
So then we have like a sour cream, but it's not real sour cream, it's cottage cheese turned into sour cream, so that you get the huge protein hit. So that's gonna go in there too. Nice big dollop of that, literal. And then fresh lime. How beautiful is that, guys? So excited to eat this. I'm actually so excited. I'm gonna just like mix it all up instead of keeping it separate. Can I have a spoon, please, babe?
Yeah, I kind of help you with that.
Thank you, Queen. All right, I'm gonna mix it all up. I think it would look prettier if I didn't, but I just want to get like all the flavor. So, like I said, this is it's a dinners book, but a lot of the recipes are really good for meal prepping, really good for eating like dinner and lunch. So leftovers for lunch sort of thing. It's so good. I think this is going to be one of the most popular recipes in the book, don't you?
I reckon the sausage pie is going to
Sit up.
Hi. Sit down.
Yes.
I think the sausage pie is going to be
The bangers and mashed
the
pie.
bangers and mashed pie. That's my call.
I reckon this one's going to be popular.
Yeah, that one's going to be popular, definitely. But because we're coming into winter, I think the bangers and mashed pie is going to be on the top of the list. She's left it to me because she's like shoveling it down.
I actually am. I was so hungry. All right, I'm going to sign off, but let me finish my mouthful first.
Mm-hmm.
Sally, come say hi. You look pretty today. Come say hi.
Yes, I know.
I'm sure many of you know Sally.
Hi, guys.
She's the famous Thermomix team leader.
Mm-hmm.
Team leader.
Yeah. Sally's been helping us.
Sally's helping out because Mez is injured.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, I was signing off so I can keep eating. That's right. I was like, what am I doing here? All right, so just to recap, beef taco bowl with avocado salsa, but it has like a beautiful homemade sour cream that's high in protein because we make it with cottage cheese, and beautiful little like potato, Mexican flavored potato that you air fry. It's very, very good. Really yummy mince. Fantastic to meal prep. Really good for serving to guests because they can put what they want in the bowl. Now, the only thing missing from this that I think makes it next level is the pickled onion.
I pointed that out on the picture actually and said everyone's probably going to ask about where this is.
We might have to do a free recipe for it.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a simple free pickled red onion recipe to go with the beef taco bowl. All right, I better get back to work, but I love you guys. See ya.
Bye.